Andonstar AD407-Pro Review. The digital microscope techs swear by, and hobbyists secretly love. Frustrated by tools that wobble, blur, or steal your time? Ever tried soldering under a weak scope, only to feel more blocked than before? Nothing kills momentum faster than straining your eyes, losing precision, or second-guessing every joint. When your microscope becomes the bottleneck instead of the solution, frustration piles up, and motivation quietly slips away. And then the pressure hits. Projects pile up, repairs stall, clients demand updates, and your workflow feels like quicksand. Stress rises, patience thins, and opportunities drift. Missed fixes, avoidable rework, creeping burnout. It's enough to make even skilled techs or passionate DIYers question their craft. Isn't it maddening when your focus is stolen by gear that simply can't keep up? Now flip that nightmare into clarity with the Andonstar AD407-Pro Digital Microscope, a genuine breakthrough crafted for soldering, inspection, and DIY detail work. Featuring a 4-megapixel UHD CMOS sensor, 7-inch adjustable IPS screen, and 2160p HDMI dual display support, it delivers crystal-clear images on its own screen and simultaneously on a larger monitor. The Pro metal stand rotates 360 degrees and adjusts front to back, letting you stabilize and position with confidence, even over large circuit boards. Add in the UV filter, which blocks soldering heat, fumes, and dust, and suddenly your lens outlasts the chaos of repair benches. The dual lighting system, an 8-level LED ring light plus flexible side lamps, eliminates shadows so you see every micro-soldered joint with razor-sharp focus. A remote control allows hands-free zooming, snapshots, and video recording. Goodbye shaky hands. Hello, seamless workflow. One customer described how it literally saved their night shift. With a failing PCB on deadline, they captured crystal-clear images, confirmed a bad joint, and delivered the repair in minutes. It's more than optics, it's pure relief. The real magic? The AD407-Pro doesn't just magnify, it transforms your bench into a control center. Reviewers rave about its robust, all-metal stability. I'm no longer fighting a wobbly arm while soldering 0201 components, one technician confessed. Influencers highlight the freedom of its built-in screen, calling it a massive workflow improvement that frees space and focus. Analysts praise the dual lighting system, pointing out its ability to remove stubborn PCB shadows, an absolute must for BGA inspection. And hobbyists gush about magnification clarity, saying, "This microscope makes the impossible possible." From HDMI output for training to 3D angle adjustments for real-world depth perception, every feature feels engineered to upgrade your precision. The UV filter earns love too, protecting your lens from solder smoke and extending its life. With storage via microSD cards, easy focusing wheels, and wireless remote control, it feels less like a microscope and more like a personal lab assistant. Isn't it time you stopped squinting, guessing, and reworking, and started seeing exactly what experts, influencers, and thousands of satisfied customers already see? The AD407-Pro isn't just a tool. It's a secret weapon, a silent partner, and the upgrade your craft deserves. Don't wait. Supplies are moving fast, and pros are already locking theirs in. Thousands have leveled up their workflow, secured sharper focus, and banished repair stress with the Andonstar AD407-Pro. Why risk another week of blurry vision, unstable stands, or missed details? Act now, secure yours today, and join the growing wave of techs and DIYers who already transformed their bench. Stop struggling, start winning. Your breakthrough moment is waiting.